Welcome to day 13 of our craft along countdown to Christmas. We are officially halfway done our countdown and we're getting really close to Christmas. So today I have a really easy craft for you. It literally can be done in about 5 to 10 minutes. It's super simple. It's good for adults and kids. So to get started, I'm just going to grab some chunky yarn and these little sticks. You can use cinnamon sticks, you can use wooden dowels, you can use branches or twigs, anything that resembles a stick. And then we're going to use this white and gray chunky yarn. Couple embellishments as well. So to get started, you're going to take your hot glue gun and you're going to take your chunky yarn and you're just going to glue it on both sides of your stick. You're going to cover the stick about halfway up your stick. You're going to glue the hot glue around the stick. And you want to cover the top point of the stick because that's going to be the point of your tree. And then towards the bottom of your tree, you're just going to put a bit of hot glue and we're going to wrap the yarn around the bottom there, and then we're going to glue the other side, and then we're just going to take the yarn and we're going to completely wrap the entire stick with the yarn. So just wrap it nice and tight around the stick, and you can hot glue this as you go or just wrap. And we're going to wrap now again going down the tree, and we're going to leave probably one wrap on the top point of the tree and then just make the tree thicker as we get towards the bottom of our tree, and just put hot glue wherever you feel like it's needed to kind of keep the yarn in place. And towards the bottom of the tree, we're going to use 3 or 4 wraps, and then we're going to cut our yarn off and wrap it around the tree again, and then we're going to try to tuck that yarn on the underside of our tree. And you really can tuck the yarn in wherever you think it looks best or it fits best, and then just kind of scrunch your tree to make it look how you want it. And you can put a little hot glue also anywhere that you feel like it's needed to hold the yarn in place. And then we're pretty much done with the base of our tree. So now we're just going to take a piece of twine, and you can either feed this through the top piece of yarn, or you can just tie a little knot around the top of the tree and then create another knot with a loop so that you can hang it onto your Christmas tree. And the last thing we're going to do to finish off these little ornaments is to embellish our tree. So we're going to take a little star here, and I'm going to glue it just on the top of the tree. And you can also add some little ornaments. I had these little 1/2-inch wooden balls, and I just hot glued those around my tree. It kind of gives it a Scandinavian boho type look to it. And that's all there is to making these cute little Christmas tree ornaments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below so we can keep in touch. And you can make these yarn Christmas trees on a larger scale. I used a larger stick for this one. Just added a wooden base to it, and then I drilled a 1/2-inch hole for the wooden dowel to go in. But thanks so much for being here. If you missed any of the other videos of our craft along countdown to Christmas, check them out below. Otherwise, have a great day.